IKEA Retail Store is LEED Gold certified building and is a unique combination of RCC flat slab, precast hollow core slab, structural steel column and truss, sheet roofing with insulation system and TPO membrane waterproofing system on top of it. All the concrete surfaces are form finish, meeting F2 and F3 class of finish. On an average, 35% of the OPC is replaced with GGBS. Tertiary treated water is used for production of concrete and curing of slab surfaces. All vertical members are cured using curing compound. CE&CR with great pleasure honors Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Private Limited by bestowing the award.